Okay, today we're checking out the US Belf Store Air Styler Hair Dryer Brush, 110,000 RPM flexible hairstyle for fast drying, rotating, curling, volumizing, straightening, auto wrap curlers, high-speed oval, blow brush, hair dryer, black, golden. Carrying case, big brush, blower accessory, clippies, small rake, specifications, little glove. Here's the body, one attachment and second attachment. Partition inside there. Right, took the protective plug cover off, plug it in. Reset button, green light comes on there. There's on off. There's a snowflake by that one, cold, and temperature hot right there. You've got a push little release lever there. So looks like it, yeah, clicks right down into place. Push it in and twists, and now it's secure. Switch it on. Oh, air starts coming out of the vent at the bottom. It's on cool right now. The hot button, I can feel the air coming off, the hot, warm air. Once I push the hot button here, cool, looks like it goes up on the scale. And same thing with the hot, all the way up and back down to the bottom. Whoo, serious machine. To take this off, pull the little release button and unclips, unclicks. A little warm to the touch. All right, that's what this guy does. Clicked it into place. Nice. Whew. Nice, strong air. That on the mic. It's coming out nice. Good flow. Turn it all the way up. Lots of air coming out. Let's test it out. So we got the 1.25 inch auto air wraps each direction. This is the 2.36 inch oval styling brush, oval. And of course, the blow dryer, hot glove. Clipped into place. See it, it grabs on and wraps right around. The heat is up, so we're curling now. And we come out with a nice curl there. Really good airflow on this one. Nice suction action, and it really grabs the hair for the curl. And let's try the right there. Hold it in place. Let's turn the heat up. And we're going to get some volume there. And let's test how powerful the blower is. Turn it all the way up. Good, nice and strong. Lots of air coming out of there. Good amount of heat. So, super powerful in the blowing department. So there you have it. Nice, sleek black and gold design. It's got the swivel on the cord so you can turn it around and round. And cool device.